Let's unpack the details about Azure Logic Apps, as this is one of the serverless platform that is mostly consumed in business process automation. We have seen a bit in the earlier video, but let's get to the details. Azure Logic App is like your go-to automation wizard in the cloud. It helps you streamline, automate, and integrate processes without needing to write tons of code. Whether you are working across systems, cloud services, or on-premise environments, Logic App makes the connection seamless. It's a cloud-based service designed to automate workflows. Think of it as a tool that connects different apps and services so they can talk to each other and perform tasks automatically. Using Azure Logic Apps, you create workflows in a visual designer that lets you drag and drop connectors, triggers, and actions. For example, trigger is something that starts the workflow, such as an email arrives or a file uploaded, right? Action is something like a task that follow the trigger, such as like a send the notification, save the file to a database, something like that. Azure Logic Apps is useful for a number of reasons. Logic App connect over 400 built-in connectors like Microsoft 365, Twitter, Azure services, etc. You can automate repetitive tasks to save time. You do not need heavy coding skill, just logic and creativity. And Logic Apps works for simple tasks or complex enterprise integrations. What are some of the notable use cases of Azure Logic Apps? Using Logic Apps, you can move and process files between on-premises and cloud. You can write a workflow to alert your team when something important happens in your business. You can trigger workflow to sync data between systems such as CRM and ERP. And you can automatically post updates on social media or analyze trends on social media. In short, Azure Logic Apps lets you focus on solving problems, not building infrastructure. It's like having a digital assistant for your workflows.